Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome and I hope you are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be blending this dark purple hair color with the orange hair color together for a custom color. So with that said, let's go straight into the video. So right here, I placed the purple hair color on top of the orange hair, and now I'm going ahead to move the hairs a little bit at a time to my other hand. So this is the blending process. So once you place the colors you want to blend together, once you place them together, right, so you need to start moving the hairs a little bit at a time, making sure to pick both colors as you move the hair over to your other hand. So just do a little bit at a time like I'm doing in this video. So once you're done moving the hair to your other hand, the next step is to take your hairbrush or comb and brush through the hair to make sure it's tangle free. So next you need to repeat the process again for the second time, doing the same thing, moving a little bit of the hair at a time to your other hand, making sure to pick both colors when moving the hair over to your other hand. So again, doing the same thing, once you're done moving all the hairs over to your other hand, you need to go back in with your hairbrush or your comb and brush through the hair the second time. And take a look at it. If you're happy with the blend after the second process, then you are good to go. If not, you need to repeat the process over and over again until the colors are well blended together. So depending on the amount of the hair you are blending together, your blend will either come out light or dark. So if you use more of the lighter color and less of the purple color, the blend will be light, like light color. And if you use more of the dark or purple color and less of the orange color, then your custom blend will be a dark color but still like beautiful. So my advice would be to take a little bit of hair, do a little test, see how the both blends comes out and decide on which the one you want to go with. Okay, so right now I'm just going ahead to brush the hair through for the final step. And here's how it's looking. I am happy with this blend right here. Perfect. Look at this beautiful color. Love it. So like I said, you need to keep repeating the process over and over again until the colors are well blended together or to your liking. Okay, so here is the final result of the custom color blend. Look at that. There is the before clip and after. Perfect. All right, guys, so we've come to the end of today's video. As always, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button down below if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so that way you will get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next one.